Hi guys, welcome back. So how did you do on the previous activity? If you have any questions regarding the activity or any questions regarding other topics, just use the Q&A section below this video. In this last lecture of this section, we're gonna have a quick look at project management. First, we'll have a look at how to save and open an application. Then we'll go through the steps of backing up and restoring an application. Saving your application can be executed in different ways. First, there is the quick save method, which we've seen before, by pressing Ctrl S. You can also press on Save Project in the toolbar. Another way of saving your application is to go to Project in the menu bar and press on Save. Here you have the option as well to save your application under a different name. This comes in handy when you have version numbers or dates in your application name. Let's say your application is called Refill version 1.0. Now you've made some changes to this application and you want to save your application. Here you can use the Save As command and save your application under a new name, like for example Refill version 1.1. Opening an application can be done by pressing the shortcut Ctrl-O. Alternatively, you can go to Project in the menu bar and press on Open. So now that we've looked at saving and opening an application, let's see how we can back up and restore an application in TIA Portal. Backing up an application in TIA Portal is called archiving. By archiving your application, the application will be compressed and stored into a single file. This makes it easy to store a backup of your application on an external hard disk or any other storage medium. To archive your application, go to Project and press on Archive. In the archive settings, you can choose the name for your archive and the path where to save your archive project. Furthermore, you can add a date and time to your archive name, which I would recommend. Now we press Enter or Archiving and the project will be archived. Now let's have a look at how to restore a project. Restoring a project is called Retrieve in TIA Portal. For retrieving an archive project, just go to Project in the menu bar and press on Retrieve. Here you have to select the archive file. So let's select the archive that we've just made. Now you have to select the target directory. Where do you want the retrieve project to be saved? We'll just save it under the default folder that it suggests here. Now our application has been retrieved and it has been opened automatically after retrieval. So there you go. That's how you back up and restore your application in TIA Portal. Thank you and see you on the next lecture.